Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a transmission fluid change on a Nissan 2022 Rogue Sport. These are the tools that you're going to need right here. You're going to need I got the OEM just because I want to make sure I got the right stuff. You know, I don't want to risk it, especially since I'm doing just drain and fill. And I didn't want to mix any other fluids with the NS3. But yeah, you need your fluid. You need one of these tools right here to take off the clips under the Rogue. It's got like a little plastic thing covering it, protecting it from water. You're gonna need some sockets, extension, a ratchet. And then this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm using one of these transparent jugs. It can hold 5 quarts, and that's gonna let me know exactly how much comes out, and that's exactly what I'm gonna add in. All right, so the first step you want to do is take this little cap off right here. This is a cap. I'm not gonna lie to you, they make it look easy on YouTube, but it took me like 10 minutes to take it off. All you do is use a flathead screwdriver, and you put it in there, and then you push that way and while pulling up at the same time, and then I got it off of there. So after you've gotten that dummy cap off, there's no dipstick in it, so that's why I'm going to catch all the oil and then see how much we got and add the same amount. Okay, so the next step you want to do is rise the car up, whatever method you want to use. And so I'll get back to you guys when I do that step. Alright guys, so I have the vehicle lifted up. So the next step is going to be taking this little plastic off right here. It's a pretty long plastic. It goes from here to over here, and it's got some little clips. Okay, I usually start on this side and run my way down until I only take off as many as I need until it starts, you know, going down until it's dangling, and I can get to what I need to get to the transmission drain plug or the motor oil, whatever I'm doing at the time. All right, so I'll get back with y'all after I do that, and this is the tool you need to take the clips off. All right guys, so now that we have the plastic down, this plastic down, here's the drain plug right here. The drain plug is right here, right in the middle of the transmission pan. Okay, make sure you got your little thingy to catch the oil, and it's gonna take a 19 millimeter. Okay, 19 millimeter, and if you're using one of these tools, it's righty tighty and lefty loosey. Okay, there we go. You got it loosened up now, so now we can do it with our finger and get your catch thing ready so you can catch all the oil. And this right here, it's been like an hour since it's been sitting here, so it ain't gonna be too hot, the oil. And as you can see guys, that is some black oil. It looks almost like motor oil. So there we go, we're catching it all. Now let me show you guys the quarts. And actually I was wrong, this oil is kind of hot, but it ain't hot enough to where it's gonna burn you. All right, we're at 2.5 right now, 2.5 quarts. So just bear with me guys. All right, now we're heading into dripping. So it's not even 4 quarts, it's more looking like 3.5 quarts in my opinion. It's looking about 3 quarts, a little bit past 3 quarts. All right guys, I'm gonna sit this down and I'm gonna continue to let it drip, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. I'll get back with y'all when I get the full amount out so I can tell you exactly how much it is. Alright guys, so now we're done draining the transmission fluid. That's how much came out, so we gotta add exactly that much in. So it looks like 3 quarts and half of a half. So almost 3.5 quarts, not quite. Alright. So, and don't forget, here's the drain bolt right there. Don't forget to put it back on and tighten it as much as you can. If you want to, you can use a torque wrench, but I'm not. I'm just gonna do it as tight as I can do it and go from there. Alright, so now the next step is lower your vehicle and add your transmission fluid with a funnel right there where you took off the dummy cap. Alright, so I'll get back with you guys when I do that. Alright guys, so I forgot to tell you guys, before you lower the vehicle, make sure you put your clips back on the plastic, and then you start adding your fluid, your transmission fluid. So whatever came out, you want to put back in. So we saw that we had 3 quarts and a little bit more, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna demonstrate adding one quart. Make sure you have your funnel nice and clean. I'm gonna show you guys 1 quart, and I don't want to bore you guys. Let me see if I can show you guys the color of the fluid. So it looks like a greenish color. I don't know if you guys can see from there. A greenish color. Alright guys, so that's 1 quart there. Like I said, I don't want to bore you guys. You repeat that process until you put 3 quarts, a little bit more than 3 quarts, but less than 3 quarts and a half. And after that, you put your dummy cap back on, and then you check, turn the car on, make sure you ain't got no leaks, and then you're good to go. Thank you, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye bye.